Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, happy new year 2022. Gosh, I can't believe how fast the year 2021 gone. Jeez. Okay, today we are doing a flower arrangement, DIY flower vase, which I thought, why not? I'm gonna show you guys how to create this. Okay, for each you need white pebbles, which you can get from Wilkinson. This is what I'm showing you. It's just the diamond gems we can get from Poundland, and of course you also need the LED lights. They are waterproof, they're really pretty, they changed in different colors. And also you need the glass pebbles as well, and this is also from Wilkinson. It was around £1.40, £1.30. And of course you need the vase. Oh my god, I love this vase. I like how it looks like it's kind of like broken in pieces. Can you see the details? Jeez, I love it. It is from the range. And also I've got these flowers as well from the range. These white flowers looks really pretty. Sorry you can't see properly here. I don't know why I was doing, and I can't remember how much this was. Something like £1 something or £2, not sure, I can't remember, I apologize, but I got this from the range. And then all we need to do now, of course you need also, sorry if I forget, you also you need scissors, of course. This DIY flower arrangement thing is really easy to do. The first thing you need to do is separate your flowers. As you can see, it is on the roots. You need to separate it. All you need to do is just cut, and then you just break it. All you need to do is just bend it, that's it, and then it breaks apart. Okay, you just need to remove it, then use the scissors again to cut it off. And the reason I did it is because I didn't want to use the whole flower and put it as it is actually in the vase, because it was too long and I didn't want it to be too long. And all we need to do here is now we take the vase and then we mix our pebbles and the diamonds and the glass pebbles together. Here you can see I'm just putting the white pebbles first, and then I'm gonna put some of the glass pebbles, and I'm gonna put some of the diamond gems. The only reason I'm doing it is because I wanted it to really mix up like salad, you know what I'm saying, really mix up really nicely, and then we put the flowers later on, so everything looks all nicely together. Oh, by the way, I know I always say this, that every single time that I'm gonna be really active. This time though, I promise you can notice I'm gonna be doing a lot of vlogs, which I find a lot easier to film to do. So I'm gonna be doing quite a lot of vlogs, and yeah, I'm gonna be very active. I'm gonna put loads of videos, loads of makeup videos, loads of hauls, loads of I planned quite a lot of things, so I'm really hoping I could manage to do it this year, because it's not easy, you guys. I do have a little toddler and she keeps me busy. Every single time I want to film, she's there, also wanted to take part, so so yes, it's been quite difficult, but I promise this year I'm gonna be more active, so hopefully this year is gonna be a good one. Oh yeah, now I'm just adding the diamond gems now. Just gonna add them. The only reason I wanted to add it so that by the time I put the LED lights, when it shines, it's gonna give it a really nice reflect, because you can see our vase is like the details on it. Oh my god, it's so pretty in person, even more, because it looks like broken pieces of glass put together. It looks so nice. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just putting more white pebbles on this vase, and by the time I finish, you guys, this thing is heavy. No joke, this thing is heavy. Can you see how it's mixed up? You see, because I wanted some of the glass pebbles, some of the diamond gems, and the white pebbles mixed together. And then now all I'm doing is just really arranging for my flowers to sit down properly. You know, I'm just you probably have to play around with it, sorry. And once I'm done, all I'm doing now is just I'm taking some ribbons. I decided to add ribbons into it, so I'm using here some white and gold ribbons, and they have a bit of glitter on it. I am obsessed with gold, by the way, so I do apologize for those who hate gold. I do like gold. You can also go for just plain ones, but I decided to go for this one. Can you see how it looks? It looks so pretty, especially when the lights are off. Oh my god, it looks super nice in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, by the way.